Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Bose Quiet Comfort 35 Series 2. The Series 2 came out in August 2017 and it includes the all-new Google Assistant button. Without further ado, let's get started. Taking the lid off, greeted with the Bose symbol right here. Inside we find padding, and we find the case that it comes with. Right here we find the instructions for the app to download on the Google Play Store and the App Store. Inside we also find the instruction booklets. Put that to the side. Inside the case, we find the headphones, full leather ear cups, Alcantara right here, Google Assistant button, play pause, volume up and down, a aux cable, and micro USB to charge it. More packaging. Inside this is, I believe, the USB cable to charge the headphones. Yep, USB, micro USB. And we also find the aux cable, so if you want to listen to music wired. Now, let's do a quick setup of the headphones. Download the Bose app off the App Store. To turn the headphones on, you need to press and hold. You see the lights turning on right here? On the app, press. I agree. And there you go, it's paired. Alright, so with these Bose QC35s, you get noise cancelling, and you get that Google Assistant button right here. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like and comment down below if you have any questions. Until next time.